delicious little bite, we are on our way to another place called Hallamölle Waterfalls. Now, you might be wondering, are there really waterfalls in the south of Sweden? Answer to that is that yes, there is. So let's see the waterfalls in the next bit. So we have finally made it to the spot, and oh my god, it looks amazing. So in order to see the waterfall in a majestic, way, you have to go through a series of challenges, from going down slopes which has sand as soft as, water or oil. You have to also go through this whole rocky stages and try to parkour or something through them, and then you'll reach a place and then you'll realize, wow, this looks so good. Now if you are an explorer like myself, then you would realize that there is a secret little getaway here, just to enjoy more of the serene nature and its peace, which you can find. Now this is a view. Oh my god, you can truly hear the power of the waterfall itself, just gushing down the rocks and just flowing into this tiny stream. It looks so good and just so calming to sit on one of these rocks and just relax. So as it's a popular place, there are loads and loads of tourists around. I'm gonna show you the view from the top. This is the moment of truth, guys. This is the bridge. Let's see how the waterfall looks. Oh, okay. So this is a stream which then flows into these rocks. That's where the actual waterfall begins. This then goes through like this, and boom! That's the waterfall we saw over there somewhere. And we can click some amazing pictures here, and I'm definitely worth visiting if you're ever in Elindröd. Although the hike is 45 minutes long, it's kind of worth it to come here, just enjoy this view, enjoy the sounds of nature, birds chirping, and just feel the power of this absolute beast of a waterfall. A particularly famous hobby in Sweden is horse riding, and that's why you can see a lot of stables around Skåne and various other regions in Sweden. This is a small stable in Österlen, but more specifically in Elindröd. Here you can see a white horse who's just following and now needs some grass to eat. All of these horses actually we just saw were being rid by professional trainers around this place. Here you can see also a warning sign to beware the drivers of cars or So we have just reached back to the Elin Röd Väg 19 and we're gonna catch the bus to Ystad and then take a train to home. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys did like this place, then do leave a like, share it, comment down below what's your favorite part about this video, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Addy Boy signing out.